Okay,
Yes.
it's a good
How can
topic.
we learn easily? Some people they want to learn English, but easy way.
Watch lots of stuff and write a lot. When we write, it goes in our mind and it stay for long. I did the same.
All
Hello,
good. How are you doing?
yeah, I'm great. What about you?
I'm also fit as a fiddle. Now I'm very consistent for learning this language. And before some months, I was not very consistent. I was doing practice and like this. One day I was doing practice. After one day, I was skipping a day. But now I am very consistent. So as you know that
Okay,
we are talking first time, would you like to introduce about yourself a little bit?
yeah, why not? So, my name is Mamta Yadav. I am from Haryana. As a professional, I am a computer instructor. I am also a learner of English language. So, I have been learning this language since 2022. So, still, I am sticking with this
You are
language.
working. Okay, yes, it's good. Sounds good. And so where do your journey is continue or you are skipping a day?
Yeah, 2 months ago, I took a little bit break, but from 1st January, I have started again connecting with learners and watching videos.
Yes. You know that if suppose we are not talking to someone, we are not doing any type practice, what happened? We get our level get beginner, like beginner. We do not
Yeah,
improve.
we start losing our means fluency. We start losing our fluency, and we start feeling like unconfident.
Yes,
It
yes, you are
happens.
right, absolutely
And
right. But any reason we get sometime if there is any reason because we are married, we have many responsibility. Yes, so
yeah, right.
that's why I do not get time. Sometimes it happens my daughter is crying, so I do not take time. But now, whenever she sleeps, I try to make conversation. Now she was sleeping. Now she is sleeping, so I thought I can make conversation with someone. So it is a good.
Yeah,
If suppose we don't have time for conversation, we can make solo videos. We can record our video.
yeah,
Daily we can do discussion.
I'm also thinking, but because I also not getting much time. So I was thinking, so I should record myself on any topic and then upload on my YouTube channel. This is
Yes, this
how we can also improve our English. And
yeah.
by watching small stops, we can improve a lot.
Okay. So do you have any topic for discussion?
No, no, no. I don't have topic. If you have, you can start. Let's
Okay. So I have a
talk on
topic.
that.
How can we speak English easily?
Okay,
Yes.
it's a good
How can
topic.
we learn easily? Some people they want to learn English, but easy way.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you asking question? I have to
Yes.
explain.
Okay. You can
Okay.
first.
Yeah. For learning English, what will be the easiest way, in my opinion? So watch lots of stuff and write a lot. When we write, it goes in our mind and it stay for long. I did the same. That is why I'm saying, and it helped me a lot as well. When I used to write, still I try to write something, but hardly I write. But I'm making my habit for writing.
Yes.
So
So
this is
you
a
know
good
that
way.
yeah, it is too good. If suppose we are writing, first we think, then we write. If we are thinking and we are writing, after that, if we are recording to ourselves, we are talking to anyone, so it comes in our mind, whatever we wrote
Yeah,
automatically.
right.
Because for that we thought before.
Yeah, and other benefit is for writing. We improve our handwriting and as well as spelling errors
Yes.
also.
All things
So
are very important. Reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Both are very important. Speaking and listening. If suppose we are doing all activity, listening, reading, writing, but still we are not speaking, what will happen? We cannot improve.
Yeah. Still, I feel like that I don't know. I am totally blank. When I talk to someone, I speak easily, but if I'm not talking with someone in English and I'm using my Hindi language, so I feel like that I don't know about English and I'm totally blank. I feel like totally blank that time. Still, it happens to me.
Yes,
Once
it
I
happened
start
to me
talking, so
also
I
when
can able to
I
converse.
stopped my journey. I was making conversation like one day. I was skipping a day. So what happened? I was thinking before I was thinking and I was getting stuck also. It
Yeah,
happened. Suppose we are making daily conversation and we are making daily videos, so it confidence will build up automatically.
yeah, definitely. You are saying good. And what was the next question?
Okay, so I am going to reply. What should people do for easily learning English? They should watch English content like animation content that is very
Okay.
simple language and they can understand easily and they use simple phrases, idioms also in that. Okay, like
Yeah,
there is Sunshine. One I watched that the English stories. Those channel are very beneficial for learner those who want to learn English easily. And suppose they are going, if suppose we are watching conversation videos, the some videos we will get same, but some if we are talking about like a topics, so that is different. So if we are making a conversation video, so we should take any topic. Suppose we are beginner, that time we should take simple topics. If we are on advanced level, we can go for advanced topics. Yes. So we should
yeah,
add new vocabulary if we are on advanced level in different way. Like there are many synonyms we can utilize them.
yeah. Even I have started watching short videos and not short videos, small standard videos like science videos, and where we can get lots of topic like about water, about forest, about recycles, and about
Yes, yes.
garbage. So I have
Garbage.
started watching. Yeah, I have started like
Good.
pollution, air pollution, water pollution. So I have started learning, watching the videos, these type of videos, and I'm thinking to make
And
video,
we
solo
can
video
play
on that.
role play like a shopkeeper and customer. Yes, this
Yeah,
type role play we can play doctor patient. That
yeah.
is also
Sometimes we Yeah, that is also good. But sometimes we feel out of thoughts. We didn't get any thoughts. But when we watch the videos, we get lots of ideas and lots of thoughts as well. So
yes.
we
Suppose
learn how to explain and what we have to speak in our conversation. So this is
yes,
how we learned a lot and we enhance our knowledge as well by watching videos.
yes. So if suppose we are watching, we get new ideas for speaking. Yes, you are absolutely right. And suppose we are not watching anything, we are just speaking. What will come? What will happen? That we will speak same thing.
Yeah. So
So
we
if
can
we
do
will
one
watch,
thing. We can do
yes,
one thing. We can take topic of water and we will research on that and then we'll connect again on that topic and we'll discuss on that topic. Let's
yes.
see how much we can speak on water.
Yes. We will take any topic. In next video, we will take any topic. Okay. First, we should
Yeah,
prepare
water.
for that.
Yeah, first we will prepare for that. Like, topic will be water and we have to speak on water.
Yes,
First
you are right.
prepare, make notes, take your time, then we'll discuss.
Okay.
This is the good topic, I think. And this is how we get the knowledge of about water. How many types
Yes.
of water are there in our earth, on our earth, and what is useful, what is which is not useful for us. So lots of things you will get.
Yes, you are right. We should take any topic. And there are several people, those are making just random conversation, daily random conversation. So people will not like to watch you daily like that.
Yeah, yeah. I was also doing the same, but I thought no, it is not good. we can speak on daily things because we have become habitual speaking of daily life stuff. But now is a thing to improve our knowledge, enhance our knowledge, and we have to speak something different.
And we can talk about storytelling also.
Yeah,
That is also good.
but
So do you have any story, and you can make any story in past?
yeah, but not now. We'll do tomorrow because it's time to go home. I'm in the office and been
Okay, okay,
it's
why
already
not?
4 o'clock.
Okay, okay, why not? We will make
Yeah.
connect again.
What
Okay,
will
bye
be the
bye.
topic for tomorrow? Listen, listen,
Uh,
listen. I think
we can
will be good. Water will be
yes,
good.
yes, yes, we can take
Most
a water.
most small standard content like fourth standard, third standard, and fifth standard content will get lots of knowledge over there.
Okay,
So
okay,
we'll
we will
make
talk.
notes and then we'll discuss.
Okay, why not? Bye bye. It
Okay,
was
ma'am.
a
Bye.
bye.
Thank you. Bye.